Rotifers. What is a rotifer? You may think it's a four-legged, rather muscular black and tan dog, but although the name is similar, the creature is very different. The word rotifer comes from the Latin meaning wheel and bearing. Indeed, these little water creatures can easily be identified by the two spinning wheels at their head. So what is a rotifer? First described by Reverend John Harris in 1696, these creatures are mainly a freshwater variety, although a few species can be found in saltwater. To understand their size, a human hair is between 50 to 70 microns in diameter. A rotifer can be between 50 microns to 2 millimeters in total length. There are currently 2,200 species of rotifers. Most rotifers, and in females of every species, have a corona on the head. This looks like two spinning wheels, hence the name rotifer or wheel bearing. Some corona have different shapes, but all perform the task of putting localized water and food into the mouth area to facilitate feeding. Interestingly, rotifers do possess a small cerebral ganglion, effectively a rotifer's brain extending out basic nerves throughout its body. The rotifer's nervous system extends to around 25% of its total 1,000 cells. The heart-like organ you can see just south of the head that looks like a heart beating is in fact the mastix, which is a chewing pharynx leading to the esophagus and into the stomach, where these two gastric glands produce digestive enzymes. From here, the particles enter into the bladder, and finally these organs expel water from the body, maintaining osmotic balance. Here is a rotifer caught local to my home and maintained in some deionized water and some leaf litter and moss to provide a habitat. The water is occasionally injected with small pipette of milk, which helps feed the rotifers and keeps them happy. Videoing these tiny water creatures is not easy, and their constant movement requires adjustment to the microscope, maintaining a central stage position. I will leave you with some footage of a rotifer and hope you find them as fascinating as I do. Thank you for watching, and more micro content will be uploaded soon.